Now I'm going to show you that we can pivot data inside Power Query. Here we've got data where people were allowed to go out, take some time, do good in the world, and now our director wants to know who actually took advantage of this and how many hours they did volunteer, making the world a better place. But we've got this long stack, and notice Cynthia volunteered 2 hours and then 3 hours. We don't want that. We want to see just a 5 for the hours that Cynthia volunteered on Monday. The best way to give this to our director is in a pivot table form. So let's do that in Power Query. Here we go. Cursor inside the data set. Data from table/range. Here's the data. Now, in order to pivot this, I need to highlight the column that I want as my column headers. That's the day column, so that we have the days going across. Next, I'm going to transform and then pivot column. Now it says use names in column day to create new columns. Exactly. What do we want as our values? We want our values to be the hours volunteered. Okay. That's it. The data is pivoted and we see Cynthia volunteered a total of 5 hours on Monday.